penifo a we nyina wo so won so wawo satiasi antina nana o say man sa no because nana ba wakwa wale afa no nu kunu ba bobrawo enti wo peska kese satiasi de wawo man ba wo so no so okwa wale ko nana enti awaba wawo a ne ba no so akwawale nana wo responsibilities 3 mama responsibility 1 nyami na meka oya mi na meka hey daddy o mi na meka okay nana no na so wana
sounds your mama wo
na Brian we analogy me a mehwe
ono no say nana suka de ne mana aswawale ko
abo wawo
in the church o mo bra
who told you
it's the responsibility on the father no akofo
afina won tiase na len yen hwe safoni of state money mama and nana no kwanu ye auditor general anamboa
okay
mama up to 2016 it was 558 million Ghana cedis.
So sika is free
aban mu yantumi an coordinate ma yeah fantastic na Dubai na no jump ko 1.1 billion 5-6 years now or yeah 13.4 billion
na do na fa
nani dawa anka saska ni na oh 2 sika oko presidency under John Mahama na sika oko presidency under Nanado. Nana John Mahama ne ba oye involved in businesses. And Nanado ne ba oye involved in business some catch on the opeska. Dia hwe no na ne kunu. Na ne mba. Ana ne mama. Enti me catch o say be ginabio na ye wo mu asoman no. Dia we ne dia onim so nche bia mfra mu ahum baba manawu. Na dia ne ba ne udia body o udia kodu o udia banchi o ebi fifiri hu enti masa ho no kanya sa wokọ because na do de opa ma chirima and he said ho de me de man so a great warrior ko de o ye pa wa makobi abonyu mampam o se on tehwe and true to word there are nana yempa mani Japan se Ghana fo yedida na akonya me ni mpa onamriem 24 now kasakrana o hanadwen yapoku na mo hanadwen na menya transportation 3.1 governance is about managing the concerns and interests of the populace. Kumasi the most interconnected community in Ghana. Kumasi and Takoradi unse Kumasi see a better transport system and can be the best. Kejetia is the center of Kumasi, but look at the network about Kejetia. And in the personal Kejetia 3.1. A business is anko for to as a result of how Nanado who voter win win power MPP. 80% Asante region na dem. And to mba yama and say Asante Mamo and to baba ha. Wonye because Asante Mamo dey crown what the flag bonu komo obeto am MPP according to MPP4. Enti sa no obey no. Ye get crama analysis no. Ye got the concern and interest of the people. Manfo yedie what's it in school Ghana sikafo papa he na okọ school kwachiri a obetra beka education wasam sa utuba for retired driven education out there no akwara no ko school ko didi okofi obedidi na odi ada
akwara ko mentiase
sa ohun ade awaya angwamo analysis na before the year no oya angwamu na tolobif de mo na akwara no mana obi bia punsa ago na afra ma wen bla na odun safana no ana nipa ne ba fie wa akra no why dey more ministers ni ade one by hin work public school tina ho man mo assignment
now more time mo ma hin
men kind the men time as missing there
ene
dabi NDC MPP enya a politician me amete me bank public school me amete me bank aba me public school satamasi why two banner ba catch why free school when I know the value of education I will follow your free you understand third one
yeah the rap here
third one I say then Udo Ghana card kwa no wanya student loan. Na loan e bi ho. Until was the free card no. Scan ni ho. Enti wa ka card na say anux. Da why answer na buy
student loan trust.
Trust scan him. Bisa all the students in the country. When NDC proposed this free thing in our manifesto. Now academic assembly. They are stealing and stealing our manifesto position.
Stealing and stealing.
Oh, into me man yam ya. MP before we angwa mofo. Ya hatch idea na no de mnika koye. We ko ditine ni se fufu ya titi suntumi ndi. Anti me wafa. Akasem na odu baby na omso otwi break. Me tina se. Because it's in the oil industry. Me catch the Jericho for over 2,000%. And this is betum about 500%. So we must have one to be our Satmasia. We mo in the Menoka say, on Chebiani, a drain this town 1 gallon, 1 liter. Same will be here to know. Nanyan coupon. Our fan boy on turning tam and ocean before. Now, me the master Mr. Crano, global analysis. Miracle. The year 2014-15. Homegrown challenge. It is dangerous than global. Because if you have done your own worker, you don't have global challenges. Because one, Yan Yakofa, modernizing agriculture productivity for the local economy, scientific driven agriculture mission. What by an was Sandia called Benjamin planting for food.
No, Benjamin
Branamoto. Modernizing agriculture productivity for the local economy. What is the concept? Oh, I be a Akate farms for public poultry subsector. Oh, I be Olam. Oh,
you support it.
Me say you be because yeah, and I'm baby and yet I'm a see be anambwa.
Yeah.
Wo ana obi dia we kra ye juma 30 years so na waye kasapre economy na de na o mfara de o kan na me kan dia obi anim and this one kase ye na yesi ye na be bie ne after refurbishment no ye na be ye Olam Feed Factory e wo kase ye na be ye Olam Feed Factory. Do you know why amomudi akohwie be kase one this one factory? Because at that time, no, then we were connecting agriculture and industry. So at Masia, and probably no, and on because one this one factory because one to me debate mama on this industrialization concept. Also, I can commander and I obey. No, now I had praying with auntie praying career to mean career miss form. A commander sugar factory, Elmina fish processing plant. Commander Sugar Factory already know near war a sugar farmers. So what credit there? Almost all common yemola, omun one send a shediana. And the first thing was that we must first do the factory no. Near look local catchment areas and then start the fencing. You start be biana we mu dead in India for no second face of the Sikano. I was India funding my 15 million. I buy a mumadi. I am challenging him. that money came under MPP. They have misconducted the money. And on say, yeah, be a fat in June, July, August near Twaba. You have a call election. Any sensible government will say trouble we are. I'll continue. Ujaye Banche factory near friend of body start factory. A guye, you buy a pejasi wo. A man a business network mama a Kumasi Brewery a Guinness. Banche for no ma Guinness Bancha omudi yen yes adeno. Wo MPP. Wo buy one district farm factory wo abaka. Gana ni be na mpejuma. One MP. And tia one this one factory na cost pa. Me so ma kata mani. Yaw. Ye be you free afonum. Because you have committed a serious crime.
Fasia mami solo yeah. Because is your rapping up kakra mami na. But let me have the family in the house. Oh mami John and I wish you for na ye musa o.
Me wa fase and they believe in the culture of lousy noises. So this is typical, but I admire him. They will make me a correction. Takra, they have a refinery. Yen near a proposal. And then cake is alcohol there. You can find for maybe.
And you've been challenged.
Maybe. And all come between 2007 and 2009, 2004 and 2009, Tamale Refinery was working. I'm a board member. I'm a board member. And my council say, yeah, time, we turned the refinery around and made profit. I need the check.
Me say I'm man from
who was there who can no too.
But
the long and short of it and say yeah plans are edi go akwan mu bra na Tamale Refinery. No say NDC for buy no me gu no a. Anka say importation of refined product no. Anka me akono. So it is true. One number good, Tamale Refinery.
No,
it is not true. It is not true.
Check it, Google it.
Oh, at our time, now oil companies are now the oil bar, Trafigura. I know of Trafigura. And that is Trafigura, yes.
Chase oil.
No.
Sage oil.
No.
Chase Petroleum Batambe.
That's it.
About this time.
About
Chase Petroleum.
It is not true. It is not true. It is not true. It is not true. So now total for the oil bar, share for the oil bar. At that time, we had BP, we had Mobil.
Oh yeah, traditional for Jaomuna kind there. What brasso? What fuck can one brasso there?
Oh, so I should when you can't say no. Nah, and Abefo. Gogula, information and Timenko. But na mesre Ghana for ne say baby edro no and this for there la yenya on achiridi obey this na ebejai amon aba begu free estate o say won ha ministers or no ne banko me ko public school so private school to
it's so
na kakra ne edro nti no nchire say oh, quite school cannot make it in life. You can make it if you are determined to do it. So, na say enya bro any nipa bonesemo a anka oba ko secondary school free. No, so they are anwamu na de papa ya de papa anu a anwamu sampa.
Yeah, bra we cry the kakra bi no ama wona obehusi unim me de no see and Google na for just one story. I say Commander Sugar Factory e ba na e betum tie me ba
I say almost establishing no muja and second phase
second buy
50 million buy na modi
you right Commander Sugar Factory
95 $1 million Accra drainage in the Wamiano.
Yo,
as of June 24th June 2016, Commander Sugar Factory shut down.
Makawa I some that now.
Oh, say. Mama come as a man, oh, the Abia Manti.
Indeed, I had trust. That's also the so no one.
Blame ECG for Commander Sugar Factory shut down. Spio Cabra, and I'm not big cow.
No. Missy Muna move fast, second face of scan.
T. Brian, what your videos you catch say? As at the time they were exiting, no, and as some established factory, no, now sugar outgrowers, no, almost the year petition in as for. And what it means is a factory established, and not there was the access of raw materials.
Fantastic.
Good. But here in Tigana, here in idea dance here say ye be a factory, no, not even a single sugar was ever produced. And the Bayer display. Yes, Amodi sugar cane be kogu adinu no. Amodi gu ma anche na machine break it down pamokai. Aka try say machine. Factory. Yes in the mono. Enya adwuma 2 days. Machine crona break it down.
Oh, there.
Jack, what are you projecting your traho? And I'm maburu ne branch ayaba. O kasa meti afidie su di ma edi na meti. And I'm maburu ayaba no. Ye ni da ho. Ade efe ye fe. Enti ene ye kan anye bia ye kan ye say eku juice de ubenya bia no. That is what we were expecting you guys to do for us. Ni enke nyina ye mfa ye ni hu bi. Share the new refinery. So obeka no na ye koka ase de to ebe tank farm. $4 billion attack ready. Don't go there. Mamu maho. Ni aka man chichene ne ma kan kwa. Anya bi adwuma ne da ho se honam no nwuma ne da di pefe ma hu.
Ye na for na Canadian company bi sign agreement.
And these are records that are verifiable. Hey, Brian, mede manu si kra. Ene me bra panyin solo am ehunu NDC 43 mopo. And every day one from 2008, 2008, and another proposal free SHS. From 2012, over 300 advertisers sponsor just to discredit the policy. Even your policy near successful, we catch the free SHS to pre say. So so near they went koda. And then I said for and there were too much na magana for you. I don't Obia or say ne bank could be daddy.
Oh, when you
now can I say?
Me say me bank called public school.
Basic. Now Babe Kobi.
Now back public school.
And I'm a back public school.
Of course school.
Me ba.
Of course school.
Now matters of public school.
I got public.
Matters
of
I public school.
I school.
Oh, private school.
One
Matters of Uganda. Okay. Check. Me cast macho.
Mami we.
Sir, near the proof number. Nti
so matters of Uganda.
Me say anya public assistant.
Matters of Uganda.
Assistant. Carry no more schools too. Roman carry schools there see on.
I see.
I know the man kasa carry na to ni Oba Montessori. Oba Methodist almost reverend be to school be near there.
Okay, mama mwano. Wait. Brian, Calvary Methodist says, sorry, Cassia, Paucoma. O question so. Calvary Methodist School or a abide and private. No, my sister, may make a catch also as I make a want to massy. That's the one Commander Matos. And you know, one gun of one who put the NTR under their watch.
Basic school
under their watch within a year. And Quada cotton as a exams passing. Over 200,000, near Yamu 67,000 pay. In the quality pass A to C6. Or much because they've never believed in education as a means to solving this country's problem.
Okay.
Let us dwell in our ignorance.
And the topic I'm the man.
One time
and free family didn't call you on it.
Another one Auditor General report. Auditor General report. I can't Wati.
Why say Kennedy no? Mami cho why say Kennedy?
Me come time so.
Commander Sugar Factory Kennedy no.
Una ko
Kwa bani approve ya cho say yes anetia.
Okay, me ba cho me di me come wa homa no so. Ma me nkwa homa no so na me ne David Owusu or a relative of John Ochre. Yes. David, to say na me ba cho anopay John Ochre away.
So the young got wada kakra yebeya mboa ma na ko hospital.
Adai nro amukodru fie no adai se ontumi nante bie wa na asa dai.
You say adia nante na why dey ndi ama no. Ana na nimi so say nwura de.
Ni nwura de.
Me ba so anwa na ye ba ade ene no. So be nante ade se dia ye susu mu kakra.
Hey. Eba na ni nwura de se ba ko na ye boy no na enwura de na ni mienu nyina.
Ba ko na ye boy, ba ko na nanke e mani nwura de kakra no. And also kataba.
Second one also kata.
Me ba try.
Na enro amutumi de ne ko hospital.
Me ba try na ye ko Apeja hospital. If you ever say ka ko Muri hospital one. Now then ko hospital come.
Benny. Just join me live on Facebook. That is Sompana 3.1 if you are there. Because we want to follow up the story that we did yesterday. Quickly now. Mami Musau, Mudi DC Koshianra.
About your baby mom, why?
Mudi DC Nukoshianra.
Okay, opinion me that was it. I mean, sure. The one who said, Yanra, na, Yari busy, I resa at your marker. It's no DC in it, will be see yet. Now, by information, Yabusa upon the man say, DC in it. What the Bushapon in your baby, Minamia Duma, be here. Eduada obesaba ini na yo bai na so be hata na onia awahini ba mami musa wa sembi say on kofo abobi apira na yirisi no hwe video no sompa TV bia no ogohu awana sompa Facebook bia ogohu na bobi apira ni say na kadisi odi aka uba no ke bibi ka kampa say bipu ya fama tabu sa ko se mo de mo nya atami ni wa oba o de wanyi no yoda tukoko e ja no minuro na doctor Ferdman o de anom aka awu 3 months wo ba o man nine ono ka hu ni e yere ka hu sia o san hai dan ono na e ko e ba e hwe na ebusia na ma bono wa nya aduma they say we ne baba o ta ka ji 2 cedi we ne baba 1 cedi we ne baba ta di 10 pesos ana maka enye bi ede ma ne ba ne yire ne ma ne ma no di ko school na ju DC ya onko fo edi sa nyambra sem sei na watinya ba ne abusia fo aba klase asori ko MC aba MC na ne o ba kwaro de ka tomilo ba ko ne peta no ba ko bi ne peta yi make ba mu sugar bi fato so na pe bi aba kensi di na fato so say ya atanye aya wo de wo ma ana wo tweti ni bia na ajete ono no me wo de no me na adu etu obu na wo be kana wa sori ko no enu na atade doctor for them man ko ba atabe faso no mumuru akwa na atabe faso ane ba be ko su akwa na atabe faso ane ba ke to be nya aduane adi oni atemu ana ekwa ko
David Nyabotre enti enra police for no so mukoye official complaint ana police mukoye official complaint
me pa sign
edi asem na commander mukọ na ni won so ka kire mu
commander no actually say what the mamen kan okre do mu dile asem no what the ko be so me asem no police case e dey so ya dey say dey asem ni ti ko no ye ja asem na manaka ye ko bodua e ti anura no ana min asayire no asate e dey be see from what the police station ni mu ho ai sade ne ba ni ti ko no yana so obe wo no wa pa to aso ka kwa mu ho e di sia di ni pie ba no bo hu di asayire ni ba be ye no ano ka o ka say ene obobo dua dia ene fa ko ba bi fufu na ko dua no di bo anta akai na tuakene wo de ne ba na tuo no tuakene a wo si fa so eso ko fa be dia no obodua ono obe bi ju sa dia ba be social media ana sia de ni ka akai ni ni abere ana mo so sem family bi so Abaka said the young cop official commander. Now, can you offer us official commander and say, Yamra? Now, you're Emma 10 years old. You could do 1 month and about 10. On my action, I want to about 4. Hey, I kill already near Breno, and son of the commander. Now, only a man can assembly to be low. Assembly the pump and correct. And a pilot could do what your hormone. Call FPDC, you know, I do put the call for the hawk. You will hope it. I want to command and what your commander and get a call. And I call your commander and case with Nika, 10 years more, carrying out. I'll tell you, but my case this is one more, or no more office war about a commander number. Quincy, and who is the car, pick up anything about the sea war. Now, commander, now, watching them. And you should be a chile, just the car, and I'm going to took a dear chile. Then I go on the car, I will go the district office war. Now, commander, let's see, I will be in office. And I say, that would be in a prayer of several hours. Yes, and it's a 2 year car, it's not bad, it's not a chair or more for the. Not the end of the that is very you want to know. If you are in the British, and I get a call hospital. There's a commander by any day. Now you're channel woman. I think I can say you are KCN. I didn't call hospital, German, or I can't see you. About bad walk. Go through her bad 9 about 12. After a commander, no, I have to Waba in Yamla. Now, what back up on a Yamlan, Consortia, some of them, or the big with the upper of Peso, this is commander, no one more crown puno. Now, to talk a yap them, will see. O council may Baby Gusu, commander P, or you are to commander P, whenever you are to commander P. That is the commander P, they are saying, the town of Anna, the I can't see the 3.1. I'm not tired of the Saturday, and you go because the new command, I was commander in this season in camp. This is the Canada commander, the new command also will be a moon tama, as a person who bought them to. That's a mere police station, and that's a mobile was a broken whenever. When Musa said, Yabu will be safe. Up to now, I've got friends number 1 thing. Up to now, we do not question will be a ruby. I've got friends number 1 thing. Also, there are some more cockles. Now, what you cockles, you put out in the cockles, 1 chain into 1 chain, 1 other day. About that, I'm not for the one kid for and to a one show number 2 days. I can't push up what I'm about to a young. The time for some good year tomorrow. Omugu someone I'm saying to my council of what that's you know. Professional
Mammy Musa, David, Mammy Musa says, Yao. Ata the condition at the same time, Musin and Ninumia Nuna, Munadia.
The battle, what the battle of the blame, why?
Also says, Yan and Ninimia Nuna and Shadow Munadia.
The battle and anything, I come and answer this is only one answer. What is one that can answer of him? Hey.
If you're not done, tell me, David. If you're not done, and yet, Miss Samuel Hospital, near Engineering to Hospital, why?
Why about my main castle of Munchilo? One got the money up to back. Tell me away our cup from Nancy Anna or my I didn't to what I know Muna Umayaka and I get up for hospital. I tell insurance in the Woodia, and I did a training. I go hospital, and I'm any pan out in the car. Am I idea runs because put you back down for dropping my structure money? This all hand dropping. But if I didn't get a car, my the Kakra was and my red uniform. They did talk to and they did women and the pan at the call run. What will send in the pan? I got the sticker. I talk of why, Mamma, a friend of mine, but I'm soon now for Paul and Consular. And communist one and people now.
No, I said, Moon and yeah, mamma for sending Zika. Say, Munya, and ya be crana. And Momo na yeah, no sign of Munya.
Okay, I don't know, but in a 290, yeah.
290 say na do aye na wo fi akwase nya yetime mi aba mi ma 200 o ya 300 ebi mo so send sika ma no 500 call na account mu ntimi so mo check ni ye e ba ye wa na sika by bro 1000
me throw we dey me ko ato me at the phone number. Now, my shit, you want me now.
It's almost class almost send this kind of now.
Who are Diana? Who are better than this? You come on for facing your photo. And you better come attack us.
Don't worry. Media, yeah, Mrs. Siane attack condition. Mr. Momon Hospital. Oh, yeah, tell me. If you're now Dano, be bet my name and actually in Kwao.
Hello,
David. David, me say, Monfanin Hospital, and yes, I'll bet my shrinking qua.
What's over your name?
And to Monfanin Hospital, why?
Now the pastor, I just said,
Hospital. And terms of Monfanin Hospital, or the hospital there. Now, you say your Pessy Kakraba, but if you're there, on your safe, Mr. White.
Okay, here can be some. I'm not trying to say the big cat. I'm not saying any of mine any the producers. And look at the
mine in one and the Cassan. Why?
Okay. Boss.
Tell me about chow. Monko Fat Tank Hospital. Anyway, me am say. Yes, sir.
I'm
regional commander, so I say I think the regional command should take the matter up because you knew. BBC to a brand here. Afena commander, regional BBC, I think commander maybe a regional commander should take this matter up. Regional commander, so what can call for every docket or anything written about this offensive district, any code here. Not more mama briefing, not take this matter up. Regional command, you best fast same way. And this time because the latest information is a brand and enemy no. Oh, dear. Ujano or Kwano Akopim. Not just a brabo, affecting any. It is an any fra. Sabranti and any fra.
I'm about to meet you.
Me fee, sir. Would your mom demon finding hospital? We will follow it up. Miss Raupa, why? If you're not done it yet, I don't pay me. I must see me. Eti mi busa. Eti from Enra Bepemene. DC Timim Fasi Kabi Krama say Monsom Fanchano.
O my yeah, no. And the only busa for Nabasia, or the Kaubano, maybe I also maybe a Kabusha for Mistrama, when you want to the Akaba or the Tokuan or the Manamarcus. This is time. Attack one stop time because my come over and come home and this is for women. This is a bit for cooking for me and that's what this was too. So what we should the parents are kind after that one time said, Yami had ready to another BNC. That's another BNC. I did not bet
Ha. Anyway,
what did you
Mammy Faucia Medasi. Ebia. Producer, Ubenya. Sorry about that. Producer Benya Adupoku. Ebia on the reason Tiabia Okoya. One Yisikabia Mahom. You come if you send Kabibi say ba. Assembly no crown no day. Your friend answer one fa. Emsa just a Koku appear for any fabric chance and no befa. We are no Sabe Case or my him permassum. Mamin Kwahomanoso. You made the idea you can call and be part of it.
Sumpana 3.1.
Number no 0551931931. Frey. Na yentie because hello, good morning.
I'm more of my palm with your Ghana. Your family, I'm going to say, Cordier.
Yeah, I'm into from Cordier.
And somebody Coswa, and yet. Just and no, and I'm clear, black. I could pay you Marco Dio, Yabono. Up to now, this new alcohol will say, if you ain't such that. The alcohol can come on by the 50 you can't say, I'm going to call it.
Mammy Pouncy and I mean, APC Juchin Como. Honorable, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. And now I'm saying, no to train Como, and you say, what's a while before Matano up. But just so far, basically, there. And then I'll be to my catcher for SMACA because if my memory serves me right, okay, say it's most unfortunate. Now, a fake runner, Yabo and Hoba, and I won't know near SC and 2-2-1 among. What are Roman among Ben or 2 ABC Sammy?
Oh, Madasi, however, a connection to a phone now. And you are not, because I tell me, catch what they call the management here to an amount called Abusia. No. I don't contrast. I think I'm more quite cheap. And then also a button. I was a follow back. I know much as I have fed that talks. And then you sure you try more.
3.1.
Wadaroma, it is said, and Ra, Okosra Omo. Busian phone be say na Omo share ni mu say. And can we be jaw mo bibi kakra mo de abrante na hospital bibia mind na abrante ne da fia nani kra ewusa da huna de just yeso so ni mu minim the policy of the district and now bibi sa
the challenge say aja obi de share ya koye no ya no mo ka bibia say ya ready to take up the first from side. Baby, I want you to know how you are going. What I'm saying is almost 2 amount. I hope I say, you may be behind your Monday. Now, it's Monday, the person comes there. I ain't going to talk about Monday. And I saw him say, and I said, Bob, you hear him. So, I'm taking the final decision about the guy. And here they are something there. The same thing and run trying to more feel.
Padaroma Messenka, as a matter of urgency, come for Branton and Koto Hospital to avoid any further because if you're more than a ton of there, Bibi Kosia, it will escalate into something else rather than the air anymore. Yedi won't come on. Tika Messer say, Sakabet me a moment in a hospital and now a fair chamber din commonwa. For the safety of his life.
Mate, and the crown nominate Omobusia, and the Omobusia President Casano pay, and the payer. The soil upon the first person of friendly Abusia, and yet because I can't want to say, or can't you say, I can't hear. No, because I say, Mihiano Pesomoba. Now, you trust in your company of us, so I think I'm my branch and what on. But I was thinking, it's just that certain things are not clear. That's all the number be see. So, because trace said the SCBR, Yaba, and the Shea. But I was so, hospital, and now I see. It's Martin software, and Michana, and Zapanina, 10 o'clock, I mean, they will be no. I think that on better than I was a couple of course, which I'm here about for hospital.
Take it out because acquire Unquada or Juma for. To one outdoor man on Tino. Dodona show an empty. I think take the leadership and Tiabusia for because you see a BB to Aqualana, Sabusiana, Opus or Boaman. Almost a chomo who say one wow. Pacho the American. It's in a semantic initiative now. Go further. Mercy Hospital, you're bigger than Moreno. Take the initiative and move the young man to the hospital. Now, Omo a tray. Muni Sabusian come on, Mr. Wa.
Mate.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Oyini. Yeah. Mami too.
Yo.
Yeah, wrap here.
Oh my, sorry na. Them said yes, sir. We are no wine. Yet he says, see, I say, say ata. O pie kuraji obi suso ni mu ansa. Menino ti yesre. David one ne kasae no anamo bi esese na omutu no wo fa Tanko Hospital.
Yes.
Na figures bi a wo bobo no de ne nya adwen o. Sika bi a wo bobo so ne de ne nya adwen o. Sanse enra ye tete. Ye pay pan chocolate.
Enra me. Abranti dey say.
Obi 3.1.
Arabi or Sunday 500.
Jai kola.
Any boat. Ogi kabo ma say no cry bro 1000.
Eti David in one samle bim.
Eti masa o mo a.
Atana ni
mo so amoka say. Mo so amoka say mo send sika say mo Sunday so a. Mo Sunday.
O ma yo mo Sunday press we bad. Enti mo mo nyoma dwen say de na etufia toto nrama no. Na matena sika ne so anyempem so. Woman fanning ko hospital nti esre yewura DC nso wakasa yedanase woman fa wo se enye oyo
if it's a massive hospital a big hospital na mo rene wan de emwa na mo moden a ipamocho ye mamu mane nyese wa ha ne abeka kire se you do be some no
3.1.
commander so regional commander I'm appealing to you take this matter up
se mlantia ne nam kro no mu
mlantia ne nam krom ho a I don't know ma omunya akokodo eye adwuma with impunity
yo
because say we ya nya omohwe next time makobu obi e bi this time around no me pa ni patrimu mienu ne yire ne sika na eye over 30 million
David keka won semu
David ono sika ni nchen ti na bia ono de obeka na obeka
David ne so
over 30 million because ka we de ye ntiase ba still akresa Monfa bin come, mo one number. I was here for Yabepeja. Mamina Mabeja Fuasi. I always say that they have been wonderful for the past 2 months, 2 weeks. Ohini Adadwa, Yesimin Kanye Adazwa. Kwabra Kese, the Abua mine, Akosia Jewa, Yetnasia, that just a Biabwa.
Biabwa.
Na Menko Aki. No more on Rocky na
school fees
Rexford Godfred Obi ni omunyina kabom David so abeka ho
school fees
no more ye adwuma na me chief executive producer Bright Entry akosia somo the video editor Kuko Jando omunyina kikabom ema ne ye nika abonondu yedamo ase ekira yes, no panel, no yenya one-on-one bia. Debate be a china be pay of him hano. I want fire crowd was yes, or he need your warm up, come right warm up. I could say a warm up. A child may say Friday special, I know I may say a dear pa. Yamin come home, no one in Montana. The dam was it. Still, get down on it.
Be a boy.
What you gonna do? You wanna get down? Tell me. What you gonna do? Do you wanna get down? What you gonna do? You wanna get down? What you gonna do? You wanna get down? Tell me. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Come on in. Gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance by standing